I know you're trying to do. Palace rupees there.
We begin with news of pandemonium at some KFC locations. Customers swarmed the restaurants as they tried to capitalize on deals as part of the
Linstead KFC, people have been fighting for the chicken since morning. The Linstead police officers stay busy parting fights.
You know you're going.
From 7 o'clock. Where we are town me I come from, town full. Full so we come around road. Yeah. How many blood clot is watch it? What the two blood clot hungry? Watch them too hungry, watch out. I see the blood clot hungry people and you watch out. When they KFC, watch out. Them hungry, Hungry people ever come. Hungry people ever come.
Hey, what's up YouTube family? It's your boy Keep It Real with Andrae, and first before I start anything, let me just start by saying thank you so much for all that have subscribed already. Thank you for your love and continual support. And if this is your first time clicking on this channel, I please ask kindly if you could please subscribe, like and share and join this awesome family. Thank you so much. And with that out the way, let me just give me a second. Let me just take a bite of my carrot, please. Hey, Jay, come here. A little piece of apple. Health is wealth. Anyway, guys, on a serious note, I know you just watched the video previously and you see the reaction you saw people act. You know what I'm saying? Me myself, I'm a Jamaican, proud to be a Jamaican, but what I just saw a while ago was so embarrassing. So embarrassing. You got people fighting, literally want to take the life of their own brothers and sisters over a piece of chicken, free chicken. Very sad. Very sad. The level of disrespect. I see how the ladies acting, the two ladies like literally in each other's face, are ready to kick off. Police running. It was a pandemonium. My question is, what is in that chicken? Now people go crazy over to the point they will literally kill their brother and sister. Tell me. I want to know. Tell me. I'm here. I'm waiting. Are you guys consuming the vegetable, carrots? Are you consuming some cucumbers? A little piece of lettuce. The question, will you fight over these things that's beneficial to your body? Will you join a line outside of a store? If KFC was giving away carrot and cucumber and lettuce and apple, will you fight? Will you join such a long line? Even from overnight to collect these things that is beneficial to the body. And I assume, yes, people will join, but it will be a handful of people. But for the chicken, give me that chicken. Give me that Colonel chicken, huh? Give me that. You just want that chicken so bad. Jay, come here. We gotta talk. Yeah? Jay, they just want that chicken so bad. Chicken. Even you love chicken. You want chicken? Yeah, see? Even the dog. When I say chicken, even him get excited. But will you get excited over fruits and vegetables? Again, guys, I watch the video, I see the TikToks, and it just seems as if you never seen nothing yet. When I act like when I starve, like when I never eat for days. When I act like when I hungry belly. When it's like going like, me not say I don't get excited enough, but the way una go on and let me rephrase it. Some uno, the way una go on over food. Yeah, class each other. Dirty girl. Man want to stab man over a piece of chicken wing. You ready to go do life behind prison over food, brother? You ready to box and kick down your own sister over little food? Hey, listen me here, man. You know, eat vegetable. Over food?
See me and see up to the time, you know it's Vybzkartel, and you're in tune to Keep It Real with Andrae. Watch, like, subscribe, and share. I'm out.